yeah, of the step class. And our girls put something together. There she is. Our girls put something together that is sort of going to show you guys the progress of dance. So it's a story told through dance of traditional African dance all the way up into a modern adaptation of African dance. So the story is about, it's a mythological story that is about a group in Ghana who had the rain stop because the women were tired of doing all the work, and so the men had to show their humility and shame by doing the women's dance to bring the rains back. So that's what your guys gonna see.
Record everything I just said. Sam.
I can't scream. I can't talk. My voice.
Yes, Sam, catcher!
Yeah, Jean.
I'm our baby's clothes.
Yes, Sam. It's as loud as I can scream right now.
Oh, that's bad.
I got more jokes. I've always got more jokes. You guys heard about this charity golf event called Holes for Hunger? That's great and all, but I think the proper term is mouth. Yeah.
Is that your money? Can I have it?
I dropped my wallet.
It's for me.
Thanks for telling me.
I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, next my pants are gonna fall down.
Woo!
I really forgot to wear a belt while I'm jumping all around tonight. So we drive on a parkway, park in a driveway, and I got beat up at Safeway. Yeah. And you may be wondering about the whole spider prison thing, like spider as a pet. Do I actually own any pets? And my answer to that is only every morning when I call my neighbor's dog a loser.
I don't get it.
Oh, you got it.
The instructions on my white strip say, avoid eye contact, and I've been doing that for 22 years, but my teeth aren't white already.
Oh my god. This is already 3 minutes long.
This side of the room, over here, literally haters to the left. Haterade is packed with disrespect for lights. Okay, I'm good to go.
I can't really film everything at this angle.
America. I love
I'll fill you in
America.
on what's going on.
Okay. Tell me where to point the camera.
London.
We're at 4 minutes.
Right, 4 minutes.
It's already at 4 minutes. I just
Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Then start it again because you're not going to want to sit through 4 minutes of nothing.
really?
Seriously.
No.
It's 2 minutes.
She's my partner, that girl.